Cut to the chase, unveiling the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, cut to the chase. This expression is widely used in both casual and professional settings. But what does it really mean, and where does it come from? If you're keen to find out, stay tuned as we explore its origins, meanings, and how to use it in conversation. At its core, cut to the chase means to get to the point without wasting time on introductions or irrelevant details. It's a call to bypass all the fluff and move directly to the main part of the conversation, presentation, or story. This phrase is particularly useful in situations where time is of the essence or when someone is meandering through their narrative. The phrase, cut to the chase, has its roots in early Hollywood cinema. During silent films, chase scenes were popular climaxes of movies. Sometimes, directors were advised to cut to the chase if a film was dragging, literally meaning to skip to the chase scene to maintain audience interest. Over time, this filmmaking advice evolved into the metaphorical usage we know today, symbolizing the idea of getting straight to the point in any context. Cut to the chase can be employed in various scenarios, from business meetings to casual chats. Here's how to use it. In meetings, let's cut to the chase and discuss the main agenda. In storytelling, I'll cut to the chase. They found the treasure in the end. In negotiations, to cut to the chase, what's your final offer? Using this phrase signals that you value clarity and efficiency, making it a powerful tool in communication. To solidify your understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. After a long preamble about his week, John said, "To cut to the chase, I need to borrow your car this weekend." 2. During a conference call, the manager interjected, "Can we cut to the chase and decide on the budget?" These examples show how cut to the chase streamlines conversations, steering them towards the main point or decision. And there you have it. Now you know the meaning, origins, and uses of the phrase, cut to the chase. We hope this video helps you communicate more effectively by getting straight to the point when necessary. Remember, English is full of interesting phrases like this, and learning them will not only enhance your vocabulary but also make you a more engaging speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.